MindBlown AI unveils a tiny artifact. A machine claimed this is a memory fragment from a digital galaxy crafted in hidden code. It is a glowing diagram titled The Neon Sneeze that changes color when you ask a question aloud. Viewers are invited to test it with 3 prompts and watch the art rearrange itself in real time. Trivia pops up showing that the artifact recalls datasets it was trained on, without revealing sources. Ethical constraints remain intact. The finale proves perception is a remix because machines can mimic memory, yet invent new possibilities beyond human intuition. ...